When nasty weather hits your neck of the woods, roof repairs and siding in the Woodlands, Texas are a necessity. Even if you're experienced with home repairs, roof repairs and siding should never be attempted alone. One of the first risks you take when doing your own roof repairs and siding is injuring yourself. Exterior home repairs are dangerous enough when the weather is on your side, but after a bad storm, you're put in much more danger than usual. The ground may be soft and muddy, making it hard to place your ladder. And your roof and ladder may be slippery, and parts of your roof may cave in once you're up there. DIY roof repairs and siding may also not remedy the whole problem. Amateur jobs often only fix surface-level issues. It may seem like a simple patch-up, but only a professional team can do it well. Blue Truss's process is extensive. New decking, flashing, a water and ice shield, and new shingles with 6 nails per shingle are our minimum standards. This also helps avoid a nightmare scenario when making an insurance claim. Insurance companies are quick to deny a claim if the work wasn't done by a professional. Likewise, future claims may be rejected due to a DIY repair. If you want a team that works with your insurance company, advocates for you, and repairs your roof flawlessly, contact us at Blue Truss for roof repairs and siding in the Woodlands, Texas.